Boo! Did you get scared? No? Boo! I said you got scared. You done? Oh! Enough.
No, no, no!
Why did you slap me? You are giving me an headache. Do you even know me? No. Who am I? No. I'm AI. I will eat your job alive and all the client will come straight to me. And designer like you will become useless. Useless. Shut up. What should I do? Cry? Baba ji ka thillu. I'm artificial intelligence. Smarter, faster, cheaper. Your job is mine. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. You are just unpaid intern with Wi-Fi. I'm not intern. Then stop giving me half-done work, buddy. I'm faster. I can design 24/7. And who fed you? Who made the design? You still? You are just mixing our artwork. I'm innovative, smarter, and I can design in second. You are like cold pizza, leftover from real designer, just reheated. You human, outdated software. Yeah, you cannot even spell banana without human data. Client won't ditch me. You think CEO of the company will start learning color theory and designing overnight? They will just prompt. Prompt. Before you, they were Photoshop. That client design? Nope. They called me. They will call me again. And maybe you. But I will be the boss. Alright, hotspot. Let's test you. Real logo brief ready. Done. Instant logo. What is this? A toddler sticker book? But it's faster. Faster doesn't mean better if it is ugly. Here's mine. Purposeful, story-based, connection. Oh, so what do we do now? We collaborate. You're faster, I'm smarter. Together we are unstoppable. So we partner? Yes, partner. Shut up. Now generate 20 more images, okay? Yes, boss. Hi everyone, I'm Prakash, founder of Brandrake, the premium brand studio, and I'm AI, artificial intelligence. This is what I wanted to convey to all designers, that don't be scared of me. I'm your partner, not replacement. AI is right. We need to collaborate with him. If you really like his video, don't forget to hit like button, share, and subscribe my channel for more amazing updates. Thank you.